y'all, what's up? Shalom Meadows here. Thanks for coming back. And we failed on the Thursday video, but sometimes when you change schedules, it's a little hard to stick with it at the beginning. So forgive us. But hey, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. Let's get that 28 subscribers up. Let's go. Double it, triple it, quadruple it. Go up, 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 up. You give a thumbs up. Hey, and don't forget to leave comments. Okay? Welcome to the channel. Because hey, we're a different breed. And you'll know it whenever you see. Work time.
Master bedroom.
The continuation has begun. It ain't like we paused and started videoing again. But what I was saying is I wasn't saying anything. I don't know. I'm gonna do something that my wife thinks might work about the leakages. We've done quite a few things. Hopefully this is one thing that might work. If not, we just keep spending money for no reason. So it rained, and as we could tell, it got a little wet. So we already know the leaks aren't fixed. But so yeah, this video is like laundry room part 900 and leaks part 2070. Yeah, we apologize, but it's a real life, and I don't mean to show. I just want to ask you a question. It's a serious question. It's nothing to do with the house or anything. But why can you see the moon all day long? Think about it.
Please be careful.
Off limits. Off limits.
Did it go up your tush?
Almost. A little different. Shalom, y'all. It's another day. Well, as you see the video, you might realize a little difference in me. But I wanted to give you a little update. The reason why the video's been a little sparse. We hadn't had one for a while. It's because we've had a handyman and stuff, and people in and out of the house, and we figured they wouldn't want to be videoed, So we respected that, and well, now we're back, and we apologize if this video is lacking. Hopefully, it can get better, but we believe that the leaks have been fixed. Okay, so we're in here right now. If you can't hear it, we're in the rain, and we don't see anything leaking. So, praise God. I want to say that we're glad that you are still watching, and you guys who are subscribed, or guys and gals, you people who are subscribed, get ready because we're about to start ramping it up, and share it. So, it can help the subscribes, man, because we want to be able to show people what we're doing, and show people that they can do it too. Although, like I've said a bunch of times, we're not pros. You don't have to take tips from us. We just want to show that the average Joe and Jane can do it too. Jojo. A little bit. Need more tools.
Did you get it?
No.
We tried one time.
No, man.
You're like a crazy animal.
Moo! Moo! Moo!
Okay.
No.
Yeah, see? Mm.
Going the wrong way.
Okay. Not done. I'm still gonna get the wood.
No.
Like. Pretty good.
Were y'all falling? She called.
Ow! My eye just it. Just walking over here. Just simply walking over here.
Ah. Go upward and downward.
Look at that.
Son of a cow. Ah. Oh. Don't tease me.
Yeah. Oh.
What? Chop chop Mario. Chop chop Mario.
Mario?
Oh snap. So sorry, y'all. You have to keep seeing videos about the laundry room. Hopefully, it's one more. I know it's either leaks or laundry room. Leaks or laundry room. Well, like I said, I think the leaks are done, and the laundry room's almost done. So it's good to see y'all again. Oh, I've said that before. I'm glad y'all see me again. Don't forget to drop some comments. And we're going to try to keep the videos coming again. We apologize, it's been 2 weeks, as I said before. The reason being, just go back if you don't remember and rewatch to see why. But like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And don't forget where you're at. Shalom Meadows. Shalom, y'all.